Hello friends, today we are going to learn our new topic from the main topic gravitation, variation in value of g. In the previous chapter we learned the value of g means gravitational acceleration is 9.77 meter per second square or average value is 9.8 meter per second square. But just imagine that at every part of Earth, the value of g is same everywhere? The answer is no. So today we learn the variation in value of g. Now we see the first variation of value at the surface of the Earth. We know the shape of Earth is elliptical. म्हणजे त्याचा दंडगोलाकार आकार आपल्या पृथ्वीचा आहे आपण मागच्या तासिकेला शिकलेलो होतो. फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ द डिस्टन्स ऑफ पोल इज व्हेरी लेस as compare the distance of center to the equator. So as per the rule, as the distance from the center is less, the value of g is large, and if the distance from the center is large, then the value of g is less. So if we stand at pole, the value of g is maximum. So at pole the value of g is 9.832 meter per second square, while the value of g at equator is 9.78 meter per second square. Now the second point, the variation in value of g with height. म्हणजे उंचीनुसार g च्या किमतीमध्ये कसा कसा बदल होत जातो याचा आपण अभ्यास करूया. सपोज ऑब्जेक्ट 1 is placed at height 10 km from the surface of the earth, and the object 2 is placed at 100 km from the surface of the earth. Now, as per rule, as the distance from the center of the earth is less, then the value of g is large. As the distance from the center of the earth is greater, the value of g is less. So, in this point we learn that the changes in value of g as per height is, as the height is larger, the value of j is lesser. Now, the third point is the variation in value of g with depth. म्हणजे आता पृथ्वीच्या आत आपण जसं जाऊ तसं g च्या किमतीमध्ये कसा बदल होतो हे आपण बघूया. Suppose an object is moving downward towards the center of the earth, but when the object going at the center of the earth, the part of gravitation forcing on that object becomes low, so the value of g is also less. So as we going so much closer to the center of the earth, the value of g becomes less. So imagine that when the object comes at the center of the earth, what is the value of g? The value of g at the center of earth is 0, because no part of the gravitational force acts on that object. So the gravitational acceleration is also 0. So student, today we learn the variation in value of g with 3 different parts. Thank you.